Please watch the full video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the text sheet by writing, size the letter, font of letter, select the 3D text, change the color of letter, select the texture, go to the gallery, select a photo, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.